Understanding propane tank. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase propane tank. This is a common term, especially if you're dealing with cooking, heating, or outdoor activities. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a propane tank is, how it's used, and where you might encounter it in everyday life. Let's dive in. A propane tank is a container used to store propane gas. Propane, a type of liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, is commonly used as a fuel for heating, cooking, and in some vehicles. Propane tanks vary in size, from small, portable canisters to large tanks installed outside homes. They are usually made of steel or aluminum and are designed to safely hold propane under pressure. Propane tanks are versatile and can be found in various settings. The most common uses include outdoor grilling. Many barbecue grills use propane tanks as a fuel source. Heating. Propane is used in furnaces and portable heaters. Cooking. In areas without natural gas, propane tanks are used for cooking stoves. Camping. Small propane tanks power camping stoves and lanterns. Understanding these uses helps in recognizing the practical importance of propane tanks in daily life. Handling a propane tank requires caution. Here are some safety tips. Storage. Store propane tanks upright and in well-ventilated areas. Inspection. Regularly check for leaks or damage. Usage. Follow manufacturer guidelines for connecting and using propane tanks. Safety is paramount when dealing with any kind of gas storage. We hope this video has helped you understand what a propane tank is and how it's used in various contexts. Remember, safety is key when handling propane tanks. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English language learning content.